Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good. You are amazing. You are safe. Wherever you are, I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is your twin flame soulmate reading. Let's see what are the messages for twin flame soulmate reading for the March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for this twin flame soulmate reading for Aquarius for March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest, because this is the collective general reading for twin flame and soulmate for Aquarius, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck and let's start your twin flame soulmate reading. Let's see what are the messages. Breathe. Okay. Thinker. Clean it up. Time to go. One more card for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. One more card. Regeneration. This was also there while I was shuffling. Okay. So right now you have to breathe, Aquarius. Breathe is here. Take some time out in nature. Do your meditation. Do not worry at all, because maybe you are thinking a lot. You are the thinker card is here. So don't be more in this energy of thinking and thinking and thinking, because sometimes you overthink. Being an Aquarius, I know this is the time to clean it up and time to go. So the very important message is that this is the time to clear out all the clutters, clear out all the things which don't serve your highest good. The time has come to clean it up, all the things which don't serve your highest good. So clean it up, all the thoughts, all the patterns, all the things which don't require any place in your life, Aquarius. And this is the time to go in a forward direction, move in a forward direction. There is regeneration. Beautiful card, beautiful message. That means that beautiful new beginnings are coming for you. Transformation is taking place for you. Okay. See, rebirth, second chances, new opportunities are coming for you. Beautiful, new chance, second chances, new things, rebirth. That means rebirth is taking place for you. That's why there is time to go. Let go. Time has come to let go anything which don't serve your highest good. The time has come for you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the 5 messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Partnership and alliances are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, give me 4 more cards. Beautiful. See, new beginnings are coming for you. Regeneration, new beginnings are coming for you. And this is also a world card. Completion of old things here. Change is coming for you, Aquarius. Do not think a lot. Okay, new beginnings are coming for you. This is conflict and defeat here. So maybe whatever conflict and defeat is happening for you, do not worry, because new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, and because of this conflict and defeat, you are thinking and contemplating a lot. Okay, but do not worry at all. You have, the time has come for you. You have to clean it up, because new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. New beginnings, the world card is here. The new beginnings are here. So let go anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, let me see 2 more cards. 2 more messages for Aquarius. Trumpet, success. See, Ace of Swords energy here. Beautiful. You will get your clarity, Aquarius. You will get your clarity. That's why the time to go is here, because you're getting your clarity. You know that the time has come to move in a forward direction. There is crown chakra which has been activated now in you. Okay, so beautiful. messages for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. The decks are too much far for me. Okay, let me see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading, and let me tell you what are the messages you want me to deliver. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Inner peace. That's right. You have to work on your inner peace, Aquarius. Okay, inner peace is coming for you. You are enough. The inner peace is coming for you. That's why this is message yin and yang. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's why there is new beginning, second chances, rebirth is taking place, Aquarius. Don't think a lot. Beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. Sexuality is here. Okay, so you have to work on your sexuality. Two more message. There is a distorted masculine here. That's why the message is here. Time to go away from this distorted masculine so that they can able to find out and become the higher version for you. And you had that clarity. 1 minute. Okay, there is an emotional freedom which you are going to receive, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the twin flame tarot deck. 5 messages. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius? Let me see one more. Beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having wow. 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 Past life karma, past lives. You both have already lived many lives together. Past life, current karma, current challenges relate to old wounds. So whatever is happening right now that relates to old wounds, that relates to past life karma. Okay, and you have spent many past lives together here. That's the message I'm having here. I'm having divine feminine. Divine feminines, you are getting the divine feminine card here, and your divine masculine is not ready. This is the distorted masculine. They have to get up and rise to their higher self. They have to become the divine masculine here. So that's why, because you're getting your highest self here. Okay, so beautiful messages are here. The first message for you from this deck is guidance. Please pay attention to signs, divine communication. So maybe you are receiving some kind of divine communication, the guidance from the divine here. Okay, and there is denial. Are you in denial of something? See, that's why the message is the time to go. The time has come to go away from a divine masculine, or the time to go away from the things which don't serve your highest good. Okay, release anything on which you are still holding on. Let go anything on which you are still holding on. That's the message which I am getting here for you. There is chakra balancing, the power of color and energy flow. You have to balance your chakra, Aquarius. Chakra balancing is required for you. There is moon energies being affected by lunar cycles. Okay, so moon energies are playing an important role, because if you are not in a balanced state, the moon energies will affect you, Aquarius. There is marriage. Many of you are going to get marriage proposals. Okay, here I'm having yin and yang, and the marriage both are here. So many of you are going to receive your marriage proposal from your divine masculine, from your twin flame, from your soulmate, whatever you can call, because this is a soulmate and twin flame reading both. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, let's add some messages from the angels answers. Let's see what does angels wants to say What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Give me the messages you want me to deliver. What are the messages? So they are helpful people around you, Aquarius. Take help around you, because they are helpful people who are around you, and there is specific no for someone, for something on which you are looking for, and there is yes here. Okay, so there is yes here. Maybe there is a no to the karmic one, and you know better your situation, but there is complete no for something, and there is a yes to something. Okay, let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame reading? Okay, it's up to you, Aquarius. It's up to you, because if you ask your angels, it's up to you. You want any help from your angels, it's up to you. You can ask your angels. Angels are there to help you out, but it's up to you to take help from them or not. Thank you for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame? Love yourself first, Aquarius. Love yourself. Reach for the stars. Accept disappointments gracefully. So beautiful messages. Accept disappointments gracefully. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from the soul journey card. What is the soul lesson which you have to learn, Aquarius, for this lifetime? What is the soul lesson Aquarius needs to learn? The message is perseverance. I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. Okay, so this is the lesson, soul lesson, which you need to learn, Aquarius. So beautiful soul lesson. Okay, let's add one message from the power of love. Let's see what are the messages from power of love to my Aquarius. What are the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? 2. Cooperation. In your quest to manifest the energy of love, you realize that every person and experience has a value. Okay, and that's right, every person and experience has a value, Aquarius. Then there is unity. You understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. Beautiful. So these two messages are there for you, Aquarius. Let's add some message from the soul, from the life purpose. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the life purpose you are having in this life journey. Give me the life purpose for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Let go. One more. Walk away from this situation in order to resolve it. See, that's why the message is here. Let go. Time to go. Same message is here, that you need to let go. So in order to resolve this solution, you need to let go the situation. Then there is protected. You are safe and supported while you change your career. So if you are thinking to change your career, you are protected, Aquarius. You can change your career accordingly. Okay, so this is the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the power of surrender cards. What you need to surrender, Aquarius. Let's see what is the thing which Aquarius needs to surrender. One more. Surrender to your full power. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. Okay, so you need to surrender to your full power, Aquarius. Okay, then there is surrender your addictions, whether you are addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overworking. Take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So you need to surrender your addictions, whatever addictions you are having regarding people or work or any substance or regarding sex, anything you are having addictions, you have to surrender to your addictions and surrender to the full power here. So these two messages are here from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from angels. What are the messages? Opportunity and change is coming for you, Aquarius, and there is joy and contentment. So these are the two messages which I am getting from angels, that joy and contentment and opportunities and change are coming for you. Beautiful. Let's add some messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let's see what are the messages divine masculine wants to say to you. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine for the Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages? What are the messages? From the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What are the messages? That's it. Okay. So I got 5 messages. You respect my family. The divine masculine wants to say you that you respect my family. I know I screwed things up and honestly have no idea how to fix it. So they know that they have screwed the things up. They don't know how to fix the things up. And we will be together again. So they want to tell you that you both will be going to be together again. I may seem happy on the outside, but inside I am dying. So divine masculine wants to tell you, Aquarius, I am going within so that I can understand myself. The divine masculine are going inside so that they can understand what is going on. So these are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from the divine feminines. Okay, what are the messages from the divine feminines to the divine masculine? Okay, I have made one more deck in which I am going to add some messages from the divine feminines to the divine masculine. Let's see what are the messages to the divine feminines to the divine masculines. Okay, you want to say a lot of things, divine feminines. This journey has allowed me to grow in ways I never thought were possible. So this is the message divine feminines wants to say to the divine masculine, that this journey has helped them out to grow in many ways they thought that was not possible. So this is the message they want to tell you. I can't wait to kiss you again. Okay, so divine feminines wants to say to the divine masculines that they cannot wait to kiss you. You show me exactly what I need to pay attention to. Okay, so divine feminine wants to say these messages. There are so many things I want to tell you. I am letting go of control. So these are the messages from the divine feminines to the divine masculines. So let's add the signs which you may be dealing with, the elements, the months, the days. Let me see more. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs? Too many. What are the signs Aquarius are dealing with? What are the signs Okay, so they can born on April. Here there is an April baby, there is a June baby, there is a May baby. They can born on Friday or Saturday, Wednesday and Thursday. They can be an October baby here. They can be an earth sign here. They can be an fire and earth element. They can be an Aries, Gemini. They can be an air sign here. Okay, and they can be a Libra here. Okay, so these are the signs, elements and the things which you may be dealing with. So this was your twin flame and soulmate reading for the March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.